Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you've been having a lovely week. Today's video features more new and nostalgic blind bags and boxes. I hope you enjoy this fun and relaxing game that chooses which items we open. For scoop, ooh, we have 3 and another 3. Oh wow, we doubled up twice. Our first ducky is for a Monster High Mini from my collection. Our cute little mini. Oh, it's a teddy bear one. It's Caddy Noir from the Teddy Bear Ghouls. How adorable is that? Is that like a little guitar or star? Oh, I love the metallic paint. I love the teddy bear's missing an eye. So cute. And I believe this was from season 2, which I do not have the checklist for, but that is absolutely adorable. Next, we have a duo of duckies for our gachapons. We'll start with our small little black gachapon first. And inside, oh, how funny! We've opened one of these before. It's the little Frog on a Leash series. Very, very cute. Look at this fella. And, oh gosh, we have the purple one, which is a friend visiting us again. But hey, that's like my favorite color, so that's cool. Look at how cute these little guys are. They also have like the little dangly feet, the movable tongues. And just really, really fun and silly. Our second gotcha feels rather large. Let's get this out. Oh, cute. It's like this little popcorn character series. I think they're bears and bunnies made of popcorn kernels, and they come in like a little popcorn bag. That's all I know. And that's really cute and creative. Ooh, and ours is this little cutie. I think it's a bunny. That's rather large, so you can use them as a little keychain. Pop rabbit corn. Okay, that's pretty cute. And you can also like remove the ball chain, but your figure is removable too, and they're flocked. Oh, how cute. Look at the little tail. Oh my goodness. I just think these are so sweet. Little popcorn animal characters. I like how they did the bunny's ears, but yet it still looks like popcorn. And they're really soft and solid too. So a very nice figure. You can use them as a minifigure. You can use them as a little keychain with a little window for them to hang out in. That's a really, really cute creative series. Next up, we have another duo of duckies, this time for 2 Funko items. Our 2 Funko items. Ooh, they're both good ones. You know what? This one's so heavy. I'm going to save Groot for last, but we'll start with the retro toys. Also a good choice. I am still on the hunt for a glowworm. He's just a 1 in 6. Of course, I would love to find the Cobra Commander as well. That would be cool. Love these. I hope they do another retro toy series. I mean, there's so many good ones. So many good ones. I would love to see like Transformers in a retro series. That would be cool. Ooh, and My Little Pony, of course. Okay. Inside, we have, oh gosh, we have this guy from G.I. Joe. Okay, blanking on his name. He's the little sailor hat guy, which, you know, hey, is perfect for Captain Quacker's crew. I like his bird. If you know his name, feel free to let me know. I'm sorry, dude. And he's a 1 in 12. I actually really didn't watch G.I. Joe, but I knew the Cobra Commander because he was Starscream's voice actor from Transformers, and I really liked that. And I watched some like funny things on YouTube that kind of spoofs it. But yeah, very, very cool. And the Cobra Commander did actually appear in a Transformers episode, so that's some fun history there. Good times, good times. Then we have our Groot Funko Soda, so good, from the original Guardians of the Galaxy. But this is like the open edition version, but you can find a chase. How fun. And just judging by the weight, oh, he's gonna be big. I love the can art as well. Oh, my bad, it's from volume 3. I thought it was from the original, so this is the volume 3 Groot. Okay, good to know. Okay, yeah, I can kind of see the difference now. That's funny. Okay, usually for some reason, like the taller, heavier figures seem to be a little bit harder to get the lid off because it comes all the way to the top. Okay, wow, that was really hard to get off. One of the hardest ones. I think there was still one that beat it. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. I'm sure it will be worth it. And I think we have the standard version. Oh, he's cute. Look at the little smile. I like the sculpt. Very cute. Oh, and the way he stands. Yeah, this is definitely a very nice solid figure. And there's a little pog. And we did find the standard version. But still, what a cutie. Happy to have. Oh, any form of Groot. Don't be nice. Be nice to Cat Noir. Our last little ducky is an item from Five Below. Our last item is the Baby 3 Petite Macaron Cute Bunny Head, which I purchased from Five Below. And you can find some of like the larger Baby 3 items now at Five Below stores. Usually they're behind the counter, but I'm very happy to have these cuties. They come in such a nice variety of colors. There's also some secrets you can find. So I really like the blues and purples. The browns are really cute, but let's see who's inside today. I think I have my checklist box still. Always a good time. They do come with a card as well, from what I remember. Oh gosh. We have this pink one. Look at how cute their eyes came. Of course, they're movable eyes. Oh, this one's really cute. Really cute. So, Peach Fuzz is their name, and they are really soft. And they do have posable ears, so however you want to design them. Let's get this plastic off. Okay, that came off nicely. How cute and silly. I like their facial expression with the tongue sticking out. I think they look extra fun and playful. And they have some cute little heart designs on their cheeks. They come with the gold clasp. And overall, wow, what a cutie. This one feels really, really soft. And I do like their eyes. I think I'm going to leave them like that. And I know I opened the full body bunnies, but this may be the first little cute bunny head I opened since I don't have a checklist box. But Peach Fuzz is the first one up top here. And what an adorable one to start this series with. Here's another look at everything we opened today. Feel free to let me know which item was your favorite. I always enjoy reading about which ones you like the most. As for me, while I do love them all, and this was so much fun to open and film, I think I'm going to choose one standout, which is going to be Peach Fuzz, our cute little baby 3 bunny head. Love the facial expression and the color, and they are just like such nice quality and super soft, but everyone is a very cute addition. And that'll do it for this Lucky Scoop episode. I do hope you enjoyed it or found it fun and relaxing to watch. If so, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, do take care. Bye-bye.